So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this radiator support welded in. This side is way off. I have a Honda Fit here. This one got hit in the front and it's getting a new radiator support. This full assembly here, which I have sitting right here. Then it also gets a new hood hinges, and I have to repair the side of this fender right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. I'm gonna get the radiator support cut out, get the new one fit up and welded up, and then I will fit the hood and the hinges and repair this fender. Now I'm gonna do some comparison measurements, and I'm checking the length right now from side to side, and that looks dead on. So now I'm gonna do an X. That looks good as well. Now I bolted this bumper bar on because two of the bolts actually bolt to this new radiator support, the brackets that are made on it, and the other two bolts go to the frame rails. So I bolt that on and it kind of locks everything exactly where it's supposed to sit. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this radiator support welded in, and then I will start repairing the fender, getting the hood and everything fit up. Now, I have the hood roughly sitting on here. You can see how I have a nice gap on this side. Now, this side is way off. Sometimes it's hard to see how far off something is, like this fender, until you have the new hood, because the old hood was folded in half, and now you can see how far off it is. So, we'll see how this is gonna go. I'm gonna try to roll that fender back in and get it to where the headlight will fit. So this fender obviously was a lot worse than we thought it was. And it's not one to line up to the headlight good at all at this corner. Everything's too stretched out. So we're gonna supplement and get a new fender, and we're gonna have to blend the color into the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this fender off and take the door apart for blend. So I got the door all taken apart to blend the color into. I got the old fender off, and we have a new fender ordered. While I was at lunch, our paint department came over and they went ahead and painted this radiator support. So that's all finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and put cavity wax inside of here. And what the cavity wax does is this sprays in a 360-degree pattern. And this seeps inside all the seams and anywhere where there's bare metal that couldn't be painted, like up inside of here, and it keeps it from rusting. And now I'm just going to be waiting on that new fender to show up, because I still want to fit everything together. I want to fit that and the headlights and everything before it goes to the paint department. But once I know everything fits good, then I will send it over to our paint department and they will get it painted.